Now then, we're back again with a quick video to show you something very specific. It's how to remove the battery from a Vauxhall Movano B, Renault Master or Nissan NV400 made between the years of 2010 and 2021. Here we go. There should have been a cover on this battery compartment, but this fan is missing it. But they're easy enough to remove. There's just 5 T20 torque screws. Unscrew them and it'll lift straight out. The battery terminals are 10mm nuts, so you can either use a 10mm spanner or a 10mm socket. The positive terminal is quite awkward to remove with a spanner though, so we'd recommend a socket. Disconnect the negative cable from the battery by loosening the nut just enough to lift the terminal off of the post. Next, remove the positive cable. The terminal on the positive cable looks pretty complicated, but it's okay really, there's just the one nut in there. This nut here, and all you need to do is loosen it enough to pop the terminal off, just like on the negative side. Then you'll need to undo this T40 torque screw to remove the metal plate that is the last thing holding the battery in place. Once you crack it loose with the ratchet, it comes out easy enough with just your fingers. Once you've removed that, then the battery should just lift straight out. I hope you've all found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe for more simple Movano Master and NV400 videos. We have Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. If you liked, please subscribe.